My people, things they happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. We just gather say National Assembly don't turn to swimming pool. People don't dey there carry their diving boats, they swim inside because of say wetin water don't full inside the office building, abi na the National Assembly building. How water go take enter inside this kind place? They say small rain. Chicken rain, I follow everywhere. Everywhere start to dey leak. Roof don't start to dey leak. Everywhere don't start to dey leak. Now, my people, in fact, make una use na eye see for una self.
National Assembly cleaners works as the leakage from the rainfall floods the National Assembly lobby this morning.
My people, una don see abi? See as people dey there, they mob water, they carry water. In fact, this one they pack the water inside national. How una take do am? How una dey take do this kind thing? Wey be say una build this kind building, see this kind fine building, no? Now water don't come full like this. And wetin dey marvel me, they talk say the leaders of this National Assembly for just last year, 2020, now they request for 37 billion naira. Say they want to renovate this place. See where renovation don't come land to. I sure say they don't even do anything about this whole thing. I sure say they chop that money. Because if you not do something about this renovating thing, I know sure say water go dey leak like say water they pour from heaven, they enter inside person building. I know sure say this kind of thing go dey happen. Abeg, wetin do on a ceiling? Una open the ceiling because where water won't even pass? How the water take even plenty reach like this? Now can they give cleaners unnecessary work? See as they pack the water. If say this rain come for 7 days, it means say then these people na there they go sleep for. House then these people no go cook. Now they go dey pack this water morning, night now water they go dey pack for their life. Government people, they go say do work and I no go do work. This one, in fact, as I reason this thing, and they say I'm saying another strategy to collect money. On a sure say I even rain even enter inside this place. On a sure say no, but then these people pour the water so that they go talk say the ceiling no good. I mean that they destroy the ceiling. So that they go use and request for another 1 trillion naira to take fix this kind of thing. Because you know say our Nigerian politics, everything na mago. Everything na 419. Unnecessary cost, now they just want bring come again. And the person will collect this money at the first place. They supposed to even carry him. Put them, sit down, say, Oga, I beg money where you collect. This 37 billion where you collect. What you use and do? Give us account of what you use this money do. Because I sure say, this man, they don't chop this money. In fact, they don't share this money among themselves. They go give them money, say, do road, on a no go do. Renovate building, on a no go do. Everything on our own, make the money try, they enter in our pocket. Where then I won't do good thing for this Nigeria, I beg. And I say why this country they tire me. Me as a person say this country they won't tire me. And I should say don't tire everybody. When I go work when I supposed to no go do am normally. Everything for Nana 419. And I go they blame people saying people know they do the things legally, know they do things right. But on a government people now on sabi even do this thiefing work pass. Now they even thief pass, even criminals where they thief. Now make if they catch thief now, they know they even bother. They go say, make they go meet politicians because now then the thief pass. This one and I don't collect money. Say, on I won't maintain this place. Maintain yourself, and no give up. This one and I won't collect another money. Say, Buhari, we need money for this kind of thing again. May Buhari bring another money. On a this and I saw they pick money inside tree. I mean, on a this people they just go to plug this money for grant. And another thing, people taxes now that they use then they live this expensive life. One are they waste like this now because they waste things. Or in the name of saying on a be politician. Who this politician even they help safe? And I know they help us because every day now they bring so problem. So this kind of one now we don't they leak now. What thing I want make it happen again? May they release another money for Nabi because I know say now on a plan be that. May government release another billions of naira again for now. And they say Nabi thief. On Nabi thief for people don't they complain say this kind of thing when they do. This one when I bring out again now just strategy. Say when nobody come and say they won't go borrow money. Say they won't use and do this one. Say may they never want hear that kind of matter again. On our own don't too much, I beg. Government people make on do now work. This one, bear, I don't know, bear na carpenter na go for, be woman I won't go find. Bear they roof this thing, I not be with any better money. Because I shall say that 37 billion, in fact, if they renovate this place annually, change go remain. Change go, if they decide to even share this money for everybody within Nigeria, change go even still remain. So nobody that kind of money now come contact say, and I need that kind of money again. Say I won't go renovate somewhere. She nobody go give now. So I beg, I don't even know who want to do the necessary thing right now. Because I know say this one I just 419 means. And then the cleaners are even the pity. Because they go clean this entire. If this rain decide not to stop, now so they go they pack water. So I beg the head of this National Assembly, do your work. Money where they give you, bring them out, they repair this thing. My people, now this one, I see you. I can't say make I bring them come, making ourselves use now. Yeah, waiting to happen inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. And it's way in our field. Make you not forget to write up inside the comment section. Make you not forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.